Alright, so for this video, I will be showing how you can utilize the watch window in Excel. And basically what the watch window allows us to do is to watch how a cell value changes as we make changes in other worksheets. For example, in our sales summary sheet, we can see that the grand total for all the divisions is 432,943. But let's say we go to the Sales 2018 sheet tab, and then we make a change for the East Division for quarter 4, and instead of 14,785, we change it to 20,000. Well, now we have to go back to our sales summary sheet to look at the change. Well, if we want to see that change happen simultaneously without having to go back to this sheet, we can add this cell to our watch window. And to do that, all we have to do is select this cell, come up to the Formulas tab, and then select Watch Window. Now we have the watch window displayed on our screen. And we can add different cells to this window that we want to watch. So if we want to watch this grand total cell, we need to make sure that we have this cell selected, and then click Add Watch. And then click Add. Now in our watch window, it tells us which workbook the cell is in, which sheet is it on, the cell location, the cell value, and the formula if there is one. So currently for our grand total, our value is 438,158. So now if we go back to the Sales 2018 sheet tab, and come up here and start to change values, and we change this 20,000 to 25,000, click Enter, and in our watch window, we can see the change happen simultaneously to that grand total cell within the cell summary sheet without having to click back and forth between sheets. And if you have different cells that you want to watch, you can add multiple cells to this watch window. And to delete a cell, all you have to do is select the cell that you want to delete, and then click Delete Watch. So that's how you can utilize the watch window and save time clicking back and forth between different sheets to see changes to a specific cell.